2, 3, is that?
Some of these days. Some of these days.
I'm gonna tell everybody about the things that the Lord is doing right now in my life. I'm gonna rejoice. About the things
Some of these days.
Yes, I'm gonna walk it.
Yes, I'm gonna walk.
I'm gonna walk.
Yes, I'm gonna walk.
I'm gonna walk.
Yes, I'm gonna walk.
I'm gonna walk.
Yes, I'm gonna walk.
Some of these days. Yeah, I'm gonna walk in the shadow of the darkness. You walk with me. You're gonna enter with me. Take on my troubles on me. I'm gonna show the Christmas joy. I'm gonna show the Christmas joy. Lord, I'm gonna take my troubles on me. I'm gonna show the Christmas joy.
Some of these days.
I believe with all of my heart that the Lord will change you.
Some of these days.
He will change our lives. In the shadow, He wanna walk with us in the shadow of darkness. God is wanna walk with us. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Finish it now. Let's finish it. Come on and say, oh. Come on, everybody. Why do you say some of the things about the Lord?
Yes, I'm gonna walk. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Some of these days. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Yes, I'm gonna walk. Some of these days.
This is all my cards.